Alrighty, my name is Matt Dunlap, and this is the video discussion for week 5 in the MIS605 here at Park University. So today we're going to be talking about primitive, collection, and object data types. So first one, we're going to explain primitive data types. So these are things, if you're thinking in terms of programming languages, these are things like ints, long, short, and doubles. So the double class is used in Java to wrap a value of the primitive type double in an object. So this can be similar to a float, if you're familiar with that as well, except for a float in Java is smaller than a double. Both of these are considered primitive data types, so they're typically used to store or capture numbers that are decimal places. So the key difference is a float can only be 4 bytes, whereas a double can be up to 8 bytes. So it's about double the size. So the next would be collections. So a collection data type is a complex type that is made up of one or more elements, all of the same data type. So elements in an array cannot have a null value. So basically a collection isn't any array. So if you want to think in terms of like on a website, say a drop-down box that has predetermined values in that drop-down, those are all stored in an array, and that array is a collection. They can also be numbers, names, any predetermined value that's already programmed in by the programmer. Those are collections. So the last one is an object. So an object can be a variable, a data structure, a function, or a method. So if we want to think of this in terms of like a graphics program, in that graphics program there might be circles, squares, menu of some kind. Those things are all considered objects. Another way to think of this would be like a person. So at our core, we are humans, and so the human aspect of the person would be the class, and then that person's name. So my name is Matt, so that would be the object. My name being Matt, that would be the object, and then there are properties and other things associated with that person as well. So yeah, that pretty much sums up the object, collection, and primitive data types. Thank you.